Well, while doing printing, last week I printed these models with all the support attached on, and you need to remove this support. We need to spend some time. Of course, removing 3D print support, you need the pliers, you need some what is called whatever, some cutter, some whatever thing, or maybe even a screwdriver will work. And yeah, let's start to remove it. But before remove this thing, I found that when I set up the new frame, I've overheated it, so you see a lot of strain here. So I will use this. Actually, you can use any frame torch or even lighter to clean up this. You look at. So I'm heating up. Yeah, it's up. So look at the small strain gone. So do a simple cleanup on the side. Sometimes it will help to remove a process too. Make sure that it is safe. The thing is hot, and do not melt the thing, otherwise it will be very sad. Let's remove something. Part by part. Before remove the support, you really need to understand or really familiar with the model itself. If you don't know the model, better check the files back. So to make sure that thing is correct and where got a part, where don't have any part. Okay, I think I can start from here. I need a screwdriver and a small tools, even smaller. You can see a dragon head. Did you saw it? Hard. Never mind. Let me click. they got some support here. There's no changing. I will clean it up later. What is the problem? Holiday to me is a working day. Well, normal days, working days, I don't have a lot of time to working all this. Of course, I still can spend time on it. I don't think I want to spend time to practice how to remove the support. That's why I will practice how to design the item without support. But if you do printing service, you have no choice. You need to learn to deal with this mess. Well, I already spent 11 minutes. Well done, Bruce. You are slow. But it's worth to spend time on remove this. Yeah. If you compare the last print I did show on Instagram, is small. It's finger size of this. The remove support is easy. Just few hit or use the nail to peel it off. Very easy. But this one is horrible hard to remove that. And you need to worry about the damage. Don't scare about the damaged part, but look at the result. Actually not that bad. I think cannot see in camera. Remember, this is the process of removing support. It spend time. The first thing, use a big plier to remove it. The plastic everywhere now, even on the floor. Later need to clean up. My fingers pain. Okay, you got this, Bruce. You got this. Come on, continue. Okay, left all the small parts. I would decide to wearing my glove. So it's a plastic glove. When you peel off the small part, especially those very attached, stick on it very well. Oh shit! When I bend this thing, never mind. Can use also, but I got to use some screwdriver. Where is my screwdriver? Screwdriver. Nah, use the smallest piece one. Every time remove the location, need to make sure there is no small piece of sharp edge. Clean up the base first. To me, the base is really hard to clean off because they got a lot of pattern on it and it stick well. It stick very well. Ooh. Come on, leave it. The shoes part. The shoes coming out. Behind the wheel. I like to use this. I can use this to cut it out the part from the print bed and anything else. Yeah, when this, you see, there's not a plastic fly into my mouth. You really need to wear safety glass if you're doing this. But I'm wearing glasses. So, yeah. My head. I'm wearing glasses so it protect me from getting hurt from the small piece. Ow, it's fly away again. Make some holes. Sometimes drill might help too. Just careful, do not drill over the parts. I can't find a flat screwdriver now, so I use another one. Peel it off. The legs come out. that is supported under the pens. Can I maybe you want? Oh, what? Hey. Is it done? No, not yet. But almost. Let me do some final small check at this weak spot. Just small. Clean up small part. And that's a tips again. When you see a lot of when you use a black filament, always face a problem is the when you remove the support, sometimes it's just too hot and become white. Come on, scan it. Okay, become white. So you can just use a heat gun to melt them off. It will black very well. Black. But sometimes you need to really be careful. Gently, very short amount of time to do this in case of overheating. down. So let's get some light here. Need a little bit more clean up on here. Not good. Overall, this size print I don't really like it. It's way too ugly. Need more time to clean up, but already spent 20 minutes here. I think I stop today. I need to go out now. Well, the process. See you next time. I continue sanding and painting it with some color later on. Well, okay. Doing something else now.